Hello guys, welcome back to Proggy. If your browser is a mess of tabs and you can never find what you're looking for, this video is for you. I'll show you how to use Chrome's tab groups to stay organized and boost your productivity. So at first, what are tab groups? Here you can see in the screen that I have some beautiful square boxes and each box has a very descriptive name. So let me click on one to show you what a tab group is. So basically a Chrome tab group lets you organize your open tabs into labeled and color coded groups, making it super easy to manage different tasks, topics, or projects. So now let me show you how to create a tab group. So for creating a tab group, you have to right click on the tab, and from here you have to click on add tab to new group. Just name the group. For example, this is my Boeing aircraft project, and let me have a different color for that. And that's it. The tab group is now created. Now you can add more tabs to this group. For that, let me open some. As you can see, all these are added automatically to the group. Now, how to add tabs which are not open directly from the tab group? So here what you have to do, you have to click on the tab and you have to just drag it enough so that the color of the border changes to purple in this case, I guess. So now this 747 tab is also part of the Boeing aircraft project group. Let me add 777 to that also, and same for 777X. Now for closing it temporarily, what you have to do is just click on this and it will collapse, or you can again click it and it will expand. And if you want to close the group completely from the tab bar, you have to right click on it and click on close group. All these tab groups which you create come up in this particular toolbar. From here you can organize it by moving and all. You can also delete it, so you can delete the particular group from here by right clicking. You can also ungroup a particular group, so for that you have to right click and click on ungroup. So this will warn you, and now the entire thing is ungrouped. Remember one small point, that this tab groups are saved locally to the machine where Chrome is running. This is not a cloud native feature as of now yet. So this will not get reciprocated in every device, where you have opened Chrome with the same Google ID. And that's how you can turn your tab chaos into tab control with Chrome tab groups. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and please subscribe to the channel. It is very important, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.